In this video I'm going to show you how to put emojis in your TikTok username. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your TikTok app, and here, as you can see at the top, I got my username that contains emojis. And let me show you how you can simply do the same. So once you opened your TikTok profile, just hit here at Edit Profile and then tap where it says Name. So now there you can change your name, and all you have to do is just hit there at emoji icon to open up emoji keyboard, and now you can simply add emojis to your username just by selecting them from here, and you can add there as much emojis as you want, and once you're ready, just hit save. Hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.